Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is November 1st, 2024, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from VICI Properties, a leading experiential real estate investment trust. Joining us is John, our Senior Analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. VICI Properties has just released their third quarter 2024 results, and there's a lot to unpack, from revenue growth to strategic capital deployment.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. VICI Properties reported total revenues of $964.7 million for the third quarter, marking a 6.7% increase year over year. John, what are the key drivers behind this growth?
The revenue growth is primarily driven by the company's robust portfolio of gaming and hospitality properties, which continue to perform well. Additionally, VICI's strategic lease agreements and non-cash leasing adjustments have contributed significantly to this increase.
And what about profitability? The net income attributable to common stockholders increased by 31.7% to $732.9 million. How did they achieve such a substantial rise?
This impressive growth in net income is largely due to efficient cost management and the flow-through efficiency of their economic model. The company has also benefited from consistent rent escalations and a strong collection track record.
Dividend and capital deployment. VICI Properties announced a 4.2% increase in their quarterly cash dividend. How does this fit into their overall financial strategy?
The dividend increase is part of VICI's commitment to returning value to shareholders. This marks their seventh consecutive annual dividend increase, supported by their consistent earnings growth and strategic capital deployment.
Speaking of capital deployment, the company deployed $230 million this quarter. Can you elaborate on how this capital is being utilized?
Absolutely. The capital was primarily deployed through various loan and partner property growth fund agreements, which are designed to enhance their property portfolio and drive future growth.
Guidance and strategic outlook. VICI Properties has updated their AFFO guidance for the full year 2024. What are the expectations?
The company has set their AFFO guidance between $2,360 million and $2,370 million, with an AFFO per share range of $2.25 to $2.26. This reflects their confidence in continued strong performance and strategic growth initiatives.
And how does their strategic outlook look for the coming years?
VICI is well-positioned for long-term growth, supported by their high-quality real estate portfolio and strategic partnerships. Their focus on experiential properties and consistent rent escalations are expected to drive compounding growth.
Risk factors and market conditions. Let's discuss some of the risks and market conditions that VICI Properties faces. What are the key concerns?
One of the primary risks is their substantial debt load, which stands at $17.1 billion. However, they have a strong liquidity position of $3.3 billion, which provides a buffer. Additionally, they've entered into interest rate swaps to mitigate cash flow variability.
How might the current market conditions impact their operations?
VICI is somewhat insulated due to their long-term lease agreements, but they remain vigilant about macroeconomic factors like interest rates and consumer spending, which could impact their tenants' performance.
Key takeaways. In summary, VICI Properties has delivered a strong third quarter with notable revenue and net income growth alongside a strategic dividend increase. Their updated AFFO guidance reflects a positive outlook. John, any final thoughts on VICI as an investment?
VICI Properties continues to be a compelling investment with its strong financial performance and strategic growth initiatives. Investors should keep an eye on their debt management and market conditions, but overall, the company is on a solid growth trajectory.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on VICI Properties performance in the comments below.